Hello students, in last lecture we have studied two structural effects. First one is the inductive effect and second one is the resonance effect. In inductive effect we have studied delocalization of bonded pair of electron via sigma bond. Okay, means those compound which are having heterodiatomic molecule system, highly electronegative element attracts shared pair of electron via sigma bond, and single bonded system shows this type of effect, that is inductive effect. Second prominent effect we have studied, resonance effect, that is cyclic system or acyclic system containing double bond in the form of pi electrons. They are delocalized via pi bond system, and such delocalization gives formation of different canonical structures known as resonance effect, that is denoted by capital R. So today we are going to study third effect, that is called as hyperconjugation effect. Okay, you are observing slide. Now what is this effect? This is the combination of resonance as well as inductive effect. How we are seeing. Resonance effect involves delocalization of pi electrons, leaving the sigma bond untouched. Okay. In benzene, there are three pi bonds and they are delocalized in such manner that we are getting three different structure. At the same time, sigma bond remains untouched. However, in some cases, a sigma bond and an adjacent pi bond may get involved in resonance. Okay. For example, see this structure. This is the compound, that is propene. What is the structural formula? CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. This is the propene. Means in this system, whenever this CH3 group is attached to CH double bond CH2 system, then delocalization of sigma electron takes place via pi bond system as well as sigma bond system. Okay, we are taking another slide. Whenever the CH3 group is attached to carbon double bond carbon system, this carbon is alpha carbon atom shown by this arrow, and this hydrogen is alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, so in this effect, bond between alpha carbon atom and alpha hydrogen atom is break in such manner that these sigma electrons are migrated on adjacent position to this, and original pi electrons are get migrated towards CH2 group like this, while this hydrogen atom of original structure remains at the same position in the form of H plus ions. So in this effect, cleavage between C alpha H takes place in such manner that sigma electrons are migrated on adjacent position. This structure is formed, while adjacent pi electrons are get migrated on this CH2 so as to give this canonical structure. So in hyperconjugation effect, in the delocalization, pi bond as well as sigma bond both are involved, and such type of delocalization effect is simply termed as a hyperconjugation effect. Okay, now whenever the CH3 group is attached, carbon possessing at least one hydrogen atom is attached to another carbon bearing an unshared orbital or to an unsaturated carbon atom, there are more than one structure, canonical structure is possible, right? These results form the overlap of bonding electrons of C alpha H bond with 2 pi or pi orbital of adjacent carbon atom, right? So according to this, how this structure takes place. Now what is the structure? The shared pair of electrons is now borne by carbon atom. Hydrogen is in its closer proximity as a proton. Now how this structure is considered? So this is carbon, this is another carbon. This is particularly carbon single bond hydrogen. This carbon is having hybridization sp3, that is CH3 carbonate, and now this carbon atom is having hybridization, that is sp2, which is having configuration CH2. So according to this, in case of hyperconjugation effect, we are getting a delocalization of sigma electron as well as pi electron system. Now what are the characteristics of hyperconjugation effect? In hyperconjugation effect, first characteristic is the electrons of sigma bond between C alpha H are involved in delocalization. C alpha H, that is alpha carbon atom, means which one? See this structure, that is carbon atom which is next to double bond system. See this one, this is the alpha carbon atom and these are the alpha hydrogen atom. The electrons present in this bond, carbon between hydrogen bond or this carbon between hydrogen bond, these are involved in delocalization and we are getting this structure. So these pi electrons are involved. This single bond is converted into double bonded system. Next what happens? This pi bond between carbon double bond carbon system is delocalized and we are getting this structure. Now so in this hyperconjugation effect, totally pi electrons as well as sigma electrons are involved. Now second, in structure to the right, no bond between C and H due to migration of sigma bond. Hence, hyperconjugation is also called as no bond resonance. This is the right hand side structure. There is a migration. This CH bond does not show now delocalization. Which delocalization takes place? from negative side, this gives pi bond formation, and now this pi bond is converted into again sigma bond. So in this structure there is a no bond resonance. And third one is, this does not indicate the hydrogen is completely detached from the structure, but some degree of ionic character in the CH bond and some single bond character between carbon-carbon double bond is get changed. Is it right? So according to this, such type of change is observed in hyperconjugation. Now third, not only straight chain compound it is observed in also cyclic ring structure. Now what is the name of this compound? This is toluene. Toluene structure, this is CH3 and this is benzene ring system, that is C6H5CH3. Okay. Now in toluene, this carbon atom is the alpha carbon atom. Why it is alpha? It is next to this double bond. ह्या डबल बॉन्डच्या नेक्स्ट पोझिशनला कार्बन आहे, म्हणून हा कार्बन आहे अल्फा कार्बन ॲटम. दिस इज अल्फा हायड्रोजन ॲटम. इन हायपर कॉन्ज्युगेशन bond cleavage takes place between C alpha H. C alpha H. This bond cleavage takes place in this manner, like this. Here migration, sigma electrons are migrated here. We are getting this double bond, and this double bond is migrated here. This is bearing carbon atom negative charge, and this hydrogens remains in the form of which ion? That is H plus ions. So in case of particular toluene, we are getting such type of structures, and these structures are termed as the hyperconjugative structures. Okay, this is the hyperconjugative structure. Once again I will repeat. Now in this case, this CH3 group is attached to CH double bond CH2. This is C alpha H bond. Hyperconjugation is nothing but it shows delocalization of delocalization of sigma electrons here, and delocalization of pi electron also. That's why this is called as combination of, or hybridization, hybrid inductive as well as resonance effect, and the overall structure shows delocalization of sigma electron as well as pi electron system. This is the combination of inductive effect as well as resonance effect. Overall effect is called as a hyperconjugation effect. Right? So this is about the hyperconjugation effect. Okay.